Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create friend screen Hamster Kombat game to Flutter. Now we create models, add file, then we write invite friend data model, .dart. Then we create class, invite friend data model, write final string image, then we write title, price, add constructor, write required this image, required this title, and write required this price. Save. Then we create friend data model, add file, write friend data model.dart, write class friend data model, write final string avatar, next name, status, per hour, and total amount. Then we add constructor, required this avatar, name, status, per hour, and total amount. Save. Then we open screens and add folder friends, and we add file friends screen .art, create class friends screen extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, then we write return scaffold, write background color, write colors dot black, write up bar and add up bar, then we add friend screen to main screen, hot restart and open emulator, and then we write body and add content info, add information, then we add information about invite friends and friends, import, add import, save. Then we add parameters. Add content info to body. Save. Add invite friends content info. Write list view, children, add information and add padding, edge instance dot only left 16, right 16, add const. Then we add my friends content info. Save. Add to content info. Friends. And then we add friends buttons content info. Save. And now we open emulator and test our works. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.